Right, there we go. That's a horrible messy job, that is, stone chipping. I really hate it. But we've got etch primer over the seam sealer now. And I was watching Bad Obsession Motorsports latest video earlier where they were stripping the shell ready for paint. And they were talking about putting grey primer on the panel joins so you don't cast a shadow, or the grey doesn't cast a shadow, and you get a better idea of what the panel gaps are like. So I'm quite pleased with them. Obviously I've got to get the doors and that on yet and check the panel gaps there, but no, quite happy with that. I've got some big runs in places, don't worry about that though. This etch primer is just really going on there just to protect, stop anything going rusty before it gets painted. And the stone chip up inside the wheel arch there, inner wing. Like I say, it's horrible messy stuff that I really don't like doing it. So that's that for the moment. Oh, I did notice as well on Bad Obsession Motorsport, obviously I'm not going to say they stole my idea because I'm sure I've probably seen it somewhere else and that's why I've done it, but drilling the holes in the hinges so that when it comes back to refitting it, I haven't got to faff around moving all the hinges and around to get the panel fitment right, so it'll be right first time, so I'm not going to scratch up all the new paint.